Now I've created the sketch for my base. I'm going to continue with this part. So I'm going to select the part, I'm going to edit the part, I'll select the sketch, go to features, and I'm going to make this an extrusion. The length of the extrusion will be 18.5 inches, and I want a mid-plane extrusion. So I'll accept that, and now I have the base that all the jaws will be moving around in. My next step is to remove the material where the solid jaw assembles to the vise base. To do that, I'm going to use the cavity command. So I'm editing this part. I'm going to go to the drop-down menu, select Insert, to the Mold Tools, and say Cavity. And then I want to tell it where this part interferes, so I'll select this part. And wherever that part interferes with the base, a cavity will be created. So I'm going to say OK. And we can now see the cavity in the part. I'm going to now stop editing the part. And again, I'll rebuild and save my assembly.